can work on the template the way you like it. Okay, even if you have articles written, they will still be there and they will work. Okay, so when it comes here, it was designed with, okay, that is not a problem. And home, about, contact us, add your sidebar. Okay, if it's nice, it's also good. Now let's get to here and see the settings, the layout. Okay, let's see the layout, because maybe they may be so. Okay, box version, let's see box version and see what is there. Okay, show this, we get configure link list. Okay, let's save this up and see. I don't know what that box version means, but let's see default variables. Okay, text sidebar. Okay, so you can manipulate everything from here. Now here we have the header logo. Okay, but instead of our own logo, the company's logo was there, it is flash. So you can input image URL, or you can upload image from computer to this place. Okay, so here the image was used as instead of title and description. Okay, so I am going to have description placed after the image. Have description placed after the image. This means that the logo can be the name of the blog, so that the description can come under it. Okay, so let me check things here. So upload image from computer. Whoa. Behind, it should be behind. Okay, let me place this one and see. Let's save this one and see. Behind title and description. Since we don't have anything like a logo, let's see what it shows. Oh, the font review, where it is showing, I don't like it. It's not nice this way, but you can change it. Okay, okay. So we are using image URL, image placement, have description placed after the image. Let's try this one and see. So you can work on your blog anyhow you like it, but anyhow you like it. Okay, still it's not nice. This is very important. It needs to be placed somewhere here. Let me check if there are more options there. Okay, so it demands that we have an image over here. Image will be strong to 150 pixel wide. Okay, so that is that. But let me use an image somewhere here. Okay, I don't know if I have some images. Okay, okay, let me use this. Let's take it like that is. That's the image, but I don't have the right to use it. Okay, so this is a company that I promote logo. So let me save this up and see. It's not also nice for font, so you can let somebody, okay, a graphic designer, design a logo for you, which will bear the name of the blog, and you can add a description as well. Let's check it and see, because now I've changed the logo, so it should also change. Whoa, something is not working here. Let's check the settings again. I now have the image, okay, behind title and description instead of title. Okay, save it. Let's refresh the page and see. So it is more over there. Okay, but the name should have been somewhere here. Okay, But if this is not working, if you download it and it's not working, you can go for another one. Okay, you can go for another one. Let me came here. Let me check things here and see as well. We have the link list, multi, whatever drop down. Okay, video documentations. You can delete all these things and add your new item. Okay, so video documentations, error pages, drop down. These are all linked lists. Okay, yes, they added a linked list. They added a linked list, and you can do the same. Okay, so sure this will get cancel. So you have the home. Okay, here you can come and add the URL here. Features drop down. You see shortcodes, sitemap. Okay, and a lot of things. If you want, we can add our pages over here. Okay, so we can change this. The main menu can be changed. Let's find a way to remove this. Sure, this will get no. Let me save it and see. It's a linked list. You can't remove it. So home ads, we have one here. Your post. So you can see from here we can't add pages. See, because unless we remove this one, even if I remove, you can cancel and save, but you can't remove. And that is bad. Okay. So let me see if we can add linked list. So here we can add our home. Okay, we can add our home. It's the home, that is the page. So fun reviews, fun house, okay. Fun house reviews .blogspot.com. Now, if you create a page, there is a link for the page. Okay, so let's come here, save it. Let me check it out if we can add new ones. Okay, so you see that the home is here. Oh no, it wasn't saved. This means that we can edit them. Okay, we can edit. So let me come to this place. We have the home, edit this item. So the site URL is what we place here. Site URL is phone house reviews blogspot.com. Okay, then we save. So this first one is done. Then we can edit this part to links features. So talking about features, let's check it out. Okay, this is features, and under them is multi drop down. Here you can add. Okay, so here I don't think there's two here. We have two stops here, and here we can add our site, and then we can add the sitemap, about us, privacy policy pages down here. Okay, yes, you can decide to make it look attractive. Now the multi drop down here, you can add maybe a category here and add most of, okay, some of the things that you've written under them here. When it comes to documentation, you can change it and also write something. Okay, here can be